Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your headset to your Android phone. So I just have a little Bluetooth headset right here I want to connect. Scrolling down from the top right, and you can probably see the Bluetooth settings just under here. It's going to say Bluetooth, and you can just hold down on this and this will open up the Bluetooth options. Now it's looking for devices to connect to. Most of the time you have to find the button that is Bluetooth. Now depending on your phone, or your headset, I guess, you can just open these up and take these out, and this is usually how these kinds will be put into the pairing mode. And then they should pop up under here. You might have to disable Bluetooth and then turn it back on again. And this will rescan for devices to connect to. So you usually will have a Bluetooth button on your headset, or there might be a different way. So like here's my Turtle Beach headset. I don't know if you see, it's really old at this point, but I still love it. There's a specific button for Bluetooth right here I have to press. So just figure it out. And then let's look at this and see if my headsets are connecting. I don't really see it. Now we can also go to just settings right here. Then we go to connected devices. Actually, let's go up to Bluetooth. I can see Bluetooth option right here. We can tap it. And then just make sure it's scanning. You can see it's scanning. Now for some reason these are not working. A lot of times with these headsets, if they're already connected to another device, they're not going to connect to a new device. So I think I have this connected to my computer already. So we can just remove these and then they should be able to connect to here. Or I have these connected to a different device. So I can get a different pair. And then just open these up and remove them and they should show up. Just make sure you press scan on the top if you keep doing random stuff. Otherwise it's not going to connect. So this should show up on here momentarily. Here's the Tozo A1. And then I can just tap it and go to pair. Okay. It says it couldn't connect for some reason. So you can always do it again. So we can just unpair it. Looks like it's paired. So we can enable this for calls and audio. Then we should be good to go. So just look at this as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out.